Hey everyone, it's your Superintendent Brad Hunt, and I'm coming to you with a very special invitation for rising 7th and 8th grade parents who are looking for something really cool and fun to do with their kids this summer. Coppell Education Foundation is thrilled to be bringing back their Interactive Institute, which is a STEM-based, hands-on, really fun experience for our kids. It's held in the summer in the morning at one of our schools. Parent, I'm constantly looking for things to do for my kids during the summer. Things that will be fun for them, but also stimulating and intellectually challenging as well. That's what the Interactive Institute can bring you. An opportunity to interface not only with other kids, but also with some of our local business partners who will be able to bring firsthand industry information to our kids and help them not only learn and have fun, but possibly look at future career choices.
And I had a really fun experience at the CEF camp. I got to interact with a whole bunch of other students who don't go to my school but are in the same age group as me, and we got to collaborate on these really fun and innovative projects. And I think probably the highlight of this was when we learned about CPR and we were taught basic EMT skills.
Place electrodes for cochlear implants, and they're also able to place Phonak hearing aids.
The students made wheel carts for a three-legged cat named Lester, who I recently rescued. I loved how the students were really engaged and unafraid.
We developed a scavenger hunt where the kids are actually, even have to walk with crutches or with, if they're blind, to simulate that, or in a wheelchair, and get to different parts of the building and see what it's like and kind of have that empathy for those that live like that every day. And then also, as a part of that scavenger hunt, pointing out different architectural features of the facility. And then we have another one that kind of simulates designing, building, drawing construction documents, and building them.
We are doing word games about stroke with the kids, and they're competing both sides of the table, and they are having such fun, and then they get the word and they have to hit the buzzer. Oh, that we got an ambulance here. We've tried for years to do that, and we finally got an ambulance here, and to be able to let the kids go out and sit inside that ambulance and feel the real life experience.
So one of my favorite activities was making my own video game character on the first day with Gearbox software. I learned that there's a lot of steps that go into making it, and a lot more than what we did on Monday.
My favorite activities from the camp were making the wheelchair for the three-legged cat and making the slime that my goals contributed.
I don't think during the summer, if I never did this camp, then I would never start thinking about those things. But now when I go out, outside, I just think about things like that we've learned here, like the different architecture of the houses in my neighborhood, or like when I'm playing video games, I think of all the steps that went into be making that character.
I certainly hope I'm asked to participate in the camp again. This has been a great experience for me, and I hope for the learners as well.
Yes, I will participate in this camp just because of the mission that it has for the kids, to get them exposed to health care. It's a wonderful thing to do with them.
So again, if you're looking for something fun for your kids to do this summer, then check out the Coppell Education Foundation's Interactive Institute. For more information about dates, times, location, as well as a list of the business partners that will be partnering with the Education Foundation, then check out the Education Foundation's website at coppellisdef.com.